How are we enjoying Maker Faire so far?
Woo!
Right. We've had a chance to see all the stuff in the Natural History Museum on the lower level and the Cincinnati History Museum up in Cincinnati in Motion. Some of the stuff that's happening inside the Children's Museum. We have stuff all over the place, including outside today. And we are going to be doing what has become an annual tradition here at Cincinnati Mini Maker Faire. We are doing our Ping-Pong explosion. So I have a trash can right here that has some water in the bottom of it. And Pat here has a bag full of 3,000 ping-pong balls. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be using some of my favorite stuff on Earth. Liquid nitrogen.
Yay!
Yeah, let's hear it for liquid nitrogen.
Yay!
Liquid nitrogen is cool. In fact, it's cold. Really cold. It's 196 degrees below 0 Celsius. It looks like water, but when you pour it out on the ground, you can see that it evaporates almost instantly. The ground does not get wet because it is boiling. So this has a boiling point of 196 degrees below 0 Celsius. This pavement is much hotter than that, probably in the 30s Celsius, the positive direction. So as soon as it hits it, it starts to boil. Same thing is going to happen when I pour it into this 2-liter bottle. I'm going to put liquid nitrogen in there and it's going to start to boil immediately. Then I'm going to put a cap on that bottle. So what's going to happen is we have boiling liquid that's producing vapor. That vapor is going to start building up pressure in that bottle. Eventually, the pressure is going to be high enough that that bottle will fail. And when the bottle fails, it fails catastrophically. You might be able to see the bottle. I'm going to show you the bottle from last time afterwards. And it bursts open. When it bursts open, it releases all of the energy that it's been holding back. And that energy has to go somewhere, and it's going to go into the ping pong balls that Pat is holding. And it's going to launch them straight up in the air. Some of them will probably go as high as 30 feet. And if the wind catches them, they are going to start going that way, drifting just a little bit. So if you're over there, ping pong balls might be headed your direction. There's enough energy to lift this pretty heavy trash can with water, probably about 1.5 to 2 feet off the ground. It'll jump. So if you're paying close attention to that, you should see it. Now, there are some interesting things about this reaction. Number one, there is no detonator or timer on this reaction. It happens when the bottle fails. And we never know exactly when that's going to happen. It's going to probably be between like 20 and 40 seconds-ish. It may be as high as a minute or two, depending on the temperature of the water and how full it is and the particular strength of this bottle. So that means that you all need to stay right where you are until after this explosion has happened. Now, the other thing that's fun about this is after this explosion, there will be 3,000 ping pong balls out on the lawn, and Jim is going to pick up all of them. There you guys go. Jim's going to pick up every single one. If you feel bad for Jim and you want to give him a hand, I'm sure he'd appreciate it.
Feel bad for me.
So we would love to have your help picking up these ping pong balls and returning them to us so we can make good use of them, and so we're keeping our parking lots and our lawn out here clean. All right, so just to review, liquid nitrogen goes in the bottle. Bottle gets capped. I'm going to toss it in there. Pat's going to put ping pong balls on top of it, and we're going to walk away, and then we're going to wait, and then this thing is going to pop. It's not a terribly loud reaction, especially when we're outdoors like this, so you shouldn't be too worried about the sound. It will make a bit of a thump, and then you will see the ping pong balls going straight up and some of them landing. If they go over you and start going into the parking lot, please be very careful. There is a road behind us and a parking lot over there, so please don't chase into the road. We will get those when it is safe to do so. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this started.
I'll win.